I am making a very brief explanation on the difference between a valid break of structure and invalid break of structure. As a beginner trader in the smart money concept, this is one of the very foundation of your smart money concept journey. So you need to watch out for everything I'm going to show you in this, because some of you asked me to do this. I'm going very basic to show you what exactly is a valid break of structure and what you should not consider as a valid break of structure. So coming back, let's start by defining what exactly is structure. A structure is simply a formation of something that has a shape. Now, this is what I mean by that. Now, look at this. The market moves in a very defined pattern, and we call it the price delivery algorithm. Okay, we see this coming in an uptrend or in a downtrend. This is basically what a structure is. Okay, when you see market behaving like this, it is actually creating a structure, and this type of structure is called an uptrend. We have market pushing from this high to this high, from this high to this high, from this high to this particular high. So this is basically a formation of structure. So at every point that we have a high, a new structure is formed. At any point we have a new high, we have a new structure. So a break of structure simply means this high or this particular structure has been broken. But you are going to see this differently on your chart. There is something very important I will want to show you on the chart as soon as we get back to the chart. So just get this. Every time we have a push above this high that was created, this is known as our break of structure. So it is basically a violation or a pushing above this particular structure. I don't want to go into the explanation of liquidity and so many things. You want to learn more of that, you can go to my YouTube channel. This is just about break of structure. So in an uptrend, this is how we see our break of structure. We break above this level, is a break of structure. Likewise, when we have a downtrend, we are going to see something like this: market pushing, coming back, push, come back, push, come back. So this is just what we call a structural formation. Okay, it's just a structural formation. We have a downtrend, low, 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 and it keeps creating low. Whenever we take out this low, we can say we have a break of structure. This is very basic. If you are already very good in the smart money concept, you don't need this. So this is going to be very important for beginners in the smart money concept. You can find more of these videos on my YouTube channel. This is just a brief explanation. So this is a break of structure. So when we go back to our chart, look at this. This is a downtrend. Can you see? At every point, if market pushes and come back, we will see that it takes out the low that was recently created. And now this is how to identify where you can mark out as your structure. Look at this. The low, that is the lowest wick that was created. This is where you identify. You just put your line there and drag to this point. Now, what you look out for in identifying a break of structure is that you want to see the body of the candle actually push below or above this. That's in an uptrend is going to be above, but this time around below it. If it is not the body of the candle, we don't consider it as a break of structure. Okay, we don't consider it as a break of structure. Look at this entire movement. That's the lowest wick here to this level. We can consider this a break of structure. Why? Because we have the body of the candle breaking below this line. So we can see another break of structure here, the lowest wick. We can bring it to this area. So this is a break of structure because we can see the body of the candles have broken below it. So if we take it to this level, we can also see it from here, the lowest wick. We can actually see that there was a break of structure here because the body of the candle pushed through it. I am going to show you how to see an invalid break of structure. This is another break of structure here, the highest wick, this time around an uptrend, not the lowest wick. We have the body of the candle push above this line. Okay, let me adjust it properly. It break above this line. Even if it is just small movement, we consider it as a break of structure. Look at this. This is a break of structure. This particular one is a break of structure because we have the body of the candle push above that level. Let me show you where we don't consider as a break of structure. Look at this. If you look at this properly, let me show you. Can you see this? This is an invalid break of structure. Why? Because we only saw the wick. So we don't consider this as a break of structure. We just ignore it. It is not a break of structure. Let me show you more and more of that. Look at this. We don't consider this as a break of structure. This. we don't consider it as a break of structure. Why? Because it is only the wick that broke. If you bring this to this area, we still cannot see a break of structure until when we reach this level. So this entire level, there is nothing like a break of structure. So when you're identifying this, you need to see that the body of the candle, there is no break of structure here. Okay, now I know so many of you people will ask me the difference between change of character and break of structure. Well, change of character came into play as a result of different concepts coming because of the smart money concept, but all of them are known as break of structure. But change of character is simply when there is a change in the direction of the market. I have an entire video on that on my YouTube channel. You can check it. This is not a break of structure because it is only the wick of the candle that just pushed above. We can see more of them right here. This is a break of structure. At this point, there was a break of structure. Why? Because we can see that the body of the candle broke above it. So if you just check the market, you're going to see anytime a structure was formed, we expect a break out of that structure. Look at the break of structure here. The lowest wick, there was a break of structure. And you can see a lot of them. At this point, there was no anything like a break of structure. Can you see? This is just your wick. Look at this. This is a break of structure. The lowest wick, you bring it to this point. There is a break of structure here. So I hope you are getting this as basic as it is. It is what really forms your experience as a smart money concept trader. Break of structure here. So this is all about a valid and invalid break of structure. If you find value in this, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're going to get a lot of beginner tutorial like this, as basic as it is as a smart money concept trader. Thank you for watching.